teachers, our supportive parents, my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today is truly a wonderful day. I can see all faces beaming with joy and pride. I say that this is a memorable day because after 6 long years of struggle, we finally made it to the first finish line, our elementary education. The theme for this graduation, Building the Future Leaders Through K-12 Basic Education Program, is timely because next school year, we will become a part of this program when we step to grade 7. It is a common knowledge that the K-12 program will provide sufficient time for mastery of concepts and skills with its added years to prepare us to our desired career path, whether to pursue a tertiary education or to take up vocational courses after the senior high school. Fellow graduates, as we celebrate what we've accomplished today, I would like to acknowledge the people who made me what I am now. To my dear alma mater, Fernando Maria Guerrero Elementary School, for providing me a nurturing learning environment. I am so proud of you. To my very patient and caring teachers who unselfishly shared their time, talent, and expertise, turning me into a responsible person equipped with desirable knowledge, concepts, and skills. To our beloved principal, Ms. Fenty Budulao, who is always there with her powerful shield to protect us in any harm, and who always guides us to our pursuit for excellence. To my beloved parents, who supported me in ways too many to count, for dragging me out of bed each morning just to go to school early, who made sure that I am fed and clothed well. I owe you my life, my education, and my success. Dada, Mama, today is payback time. I am offering you my gift, the highest honor. I love you, Mama, Dada, thank you for everything. Above all, I thank God Almighty for all of His blessings. Without Him, I am nothing. And so, class of 2013, it's time to take a bow. Take that diploma and put it into good use. Whichever track you may want to tread, always be the best that you could be. Let us unveil that inner strength with us, the driving force within us, to help us discover the right avenues where we could be of service to our family and our fellow men. Let us begin the future with us, the future leaders through the K-12 Basic Education Program. Let us maximize our knowledge, talent, and skills, and make